Hello, I'm Karen from the Education Workshop. Have you ever thought about how cartographers map terrain that's hard to reach? Places like the mountains, the moon, and the oceans? It's amazing to think that over 4,000 people have climbed to the summit of Everest. 12 people have walked on the moon, but only 3 people have ever made it to the deepest parts of the ocean. In this lesson plan, students are introduced to historical and modern techniques used to map the ocean floor. They begin by building a model to graph the contours of the ocean floor. Then they look at how sound waves are used by marine animals to determine distance. Equipped with the knowledge of how biosonar works, students then build an ultrasonic sensor, attach it to a research vessel, then live stream depth measurements of their ocean floor using Excel's data streamer. This bathymetry activity has them pinpoint areas for further exploration, which they then transfer to Paint 3D to demonstrate how different marine animals live across the 5 oceanic zones. The lesson plan concludes with students using data sets to compare the deepest parts of the ocean with the highest mountains on land. This lesson plan includes exclusive resources made possible by BBC Learning to support students reflecting and documenting in order to answer the question, how deep is the ocean?